Do you know how to solve a mixture problem? Let's take a look at a situation where Kelly found a pile of coins. Kelly found 15 coins, all nickels and quarters. When she added up the combined total of the coins, it was $2.75. How many of each coin does Kelly have? This is the problem that we're going to solve. We're going to begin by writing an equation about the nickels and the quarters. First, we know that Kelly found nickels and quarters. Let's write down those two variables. Here we've written n plus q, nickels plus quarters, equals a total of 15 coins. Now we have a second equation. We know that nickels are worth 5 cents and quarters are worth 25 cents. So we can write 0.05n plus 0.25q, and the total money that Kelly found was $2.75. Now you can see that we have a system, and we're going to solve this system. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve for one of these variables. Let's solve for n. So we can say that n is equal to 15 minus q. Now we can substitute this equation into the second equation, and we'll be able to solve for q. Let's look at how to do that. Here's the second equation once again. 0.05n plus 0.25q equals $2.75. We just solved the first equation for n, so now we can substitute that in for n. 0.05 times 15 minus q plus 0.25q equals $2.75. Notice that now we only have one variable. So now we're going to solve for q, and we're going to do that by distributing this 0.05 to both of the values inside the parentheses. 0.05 times 15 is 0.75 minus 0.05 times q equals 0.05q plus 0.25q equals 2.75. Now our next step is to combine like terms. Here's our like terms right here. We bring down the 0.75, and when we add negative 0.05q plus 0.25q, we get plus 0.20q equals 2.75. Now let's bring this equation to a next screen to work on it. Here's our equation. Now we're going to continue to solve for q. We minus 0.75 from both sides. These cancel, and we have 0.20q equals $2. Divide both sides by 0.20, and q is equal to 10. Now think back. If there were 15 coins and the quarters are equal to 10 quarters, then we can say the nickels are equal to 5. Now we can take both of these answers and substitute them back into the second equation of the original system and see if it works. Let's take a look at how to do that. Here's that original equation. Now, we just said that there were 5 nickels plus there were 10 quarters equals $2.75. And when we multiply this out and add, you will see that $2.75 is equal to $2.75. Our answer checks and our work is complete.